What is up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Today's video is me getting a free car and selling it to some tweakers. Can you believe that? Yeah, it sounds fucking weird. Where the fuck did they get this money? I have no idea. But yeah, so basically what's happening here is I got this car for free because the owner sold his house and he just abandoned the car because he wasn't able to unlock it. So he had the key to ignition, but I guess the reason he had only the ignition key was because he lost the other key before and swapped out the ignition. So he didn't have the key to unlock the doors or the trunk. So he wasn't able to get in the car. So here I'm just, I bought some shit on Amazon to open the door in case like some shit, I forgot my keys inside, so I didn't have to pay someone to open the door. So I'm just doing that here, opening up the car. And yeah, I eventually got it open. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, enjoy the video. Bye. Oh yeah, we did it, guys. We unlocked the car. Look at this shit, we got some new drip. So we're gonna go to Walmart now. Oh. Should we go home, or should we just go to Walmart to buy like cables and shit? Dollar Tree? They don't have jump cables. Do they have jump cables at Dollar Tree?
No.
I don't think so. All right, we're gonna go.
Why get jump cables when you need to pump it? How would you drive home? Can you put that in the trash?
I don't know where my air pump is.
That new cross, motherfucker.
Oh yeah, look at this. That's nice. It's white and it matches the car.
I got two crosses on here.
3. Oh no, it's just the same one. Okay. Well, this is the car. That one right there. Right there. I'm pointing over here, but it's, yeah. Alright, see y'all in a bit. Alright guys, I hope you guys can hear me, but we're putting air in the tire. I went to Walmart, bought some cables and this. So I'm putting air. I'll record when I'm all done. Hopefully it drives good. This shit has 300,000 miles. Can you believe that? That's fucking crazy. This is the most mileage car I've ever had. So I'll be back. My recording is ass right now. So guys, here we are. We're test driving the car before I even take it on the highway. The brake light stays on when the brake is off, but that's not, no big deal. It shifts. Well, the pedal is a bit fucking weird. The clutch pedal. Oh, look at that fucking Integra. That's nice. Sheesh, that's nice. Well, I'm just test driving it. Shifts good. Oh shit, too low. I gotta do a really good tune-up on it. It has 300,000 miles, bro. That's fucking insane. The brakes are rusty as fuck. She's been sitting for a long time. It drives weird. I hope it makes it home. I'll take it to the shop on Monday just so I can do like fluid changes and shit. Definitely gonna do a fucking spark plug check real quick when I get there. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. I'm gonna just drive home now. What up, guys? Look at my hand. So the car kept overheating. So what I did was I fucking came to Walmart, bought some tools, some coolant. I bought some tools to take off the thermostat. So the thermostat is off right now. So if it overheats, then that means the fucking like head gasket is blown or some shit, and this shit is going straight to the trash. I don't know where my girlfriend is. She should be behind. Maybe she's looking for me. I don't know. Shit. But anyways, like I said, I went to Walmart. The shit was overheating like really fast. And I'm not going to be surprised if the head gasket is blown, because this shit has 300,000 miles. About to. It's 299,000. So yeah, my girlfriend is coming. I'm gonna just go. Hopefully it makes it home. I have to go on the freeway and shit. So shit, I'm praying it fucking makes it. Because on the freeway, we're going 60 miles per hour and the engine gets really fucking hot. So hopefully it makes it. I will keep you guys updated. I didn't record any of the shit I did at the parking lot. I took the fucking thermostat out in the parking lot. Yeah, it's kind of ghetto and shit. And then they probably think this shit is stolen. It's so fucked up. But
at the traffic lights, turn
Alright,
left
I'll
onto
catch you guys
Northeast
later. Hopefully it
104th
makes it.
Avenue, then turn left onto South.
We making it. Oh, we're on the fucking bridge. And this shit is not overheating at all. Obviously, because I took the thermostat off. So, the issue was probably the thermostat. I thought it was going to be like the water pump. If it wasn't the water pump, the fucking head gasket. And if it was a head gasket, I was literally going to scrap this shit. I do not give a fuck. Man. And look at her. Thanks a lot. I always put you in some weird ass situations. Man. This girl, bruh. She goes with me fucking everywhere. We drove like 3 hours for some wheels. That's crazy. And I think we came to pick this shit up like 5 hours ago. And she's still here. Damn, that's crazy. Damn. But we making it, guys. We making it. Shit drives like shit, but hey, free car. What do you expect? You know? Man, it really sucks. It has almost 300,000 miles, though. That's fucking insane. Man, look at this fucking beautiful ass view, bro. Sheesh. Hella nice. Alright, guys. We're literally almost home. So I am gonna go now. I'll keep y'all updated. I'll show the car a bit more. Well, I didn't even show it, to be honest. So I'll just show you guys the car when I get home. Or maybe tomorrow morning. I don't know. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Alright, guys. Here's the car. Huh?
What about those poles?
Yeah, I'll put everything in this shit box.
No, it's the best
This is the car. Fucked up hood. Dents everywhere. 300k miles almost. Like, maybe like 500 something more miles and this shit is gonna hit 300. But damn. Runs well. What up, guys? It's a couple, maybe like 1 week later. So I gotta buy it for the car. Not gonna lie though, they're fucking sketchy. They're tweakers, but you know what? Money is money. I don't judge you if you're gonna give me any money, so let me take your money, huh? So I was walking to O'Reilly's because I literally work right across the street. So I was running. Some dude stops me, hey, do you have a car for sale? I'm looking for a car. I was kind of fucking rude because I was like, not rude, I don't know. I was just like serious as fuck. I was like, no, I don't. And then he kept talking. I just walked away. And then when I came back, my dad was like, oh, someone's looking for a car. I told him you have one. I was like, what are you talking about? And then those fuckers come back. Well, the other guy that was talking to me came with another guy, and he was like, oh, so what car is it? I got $600. And then I was like, oh shit, I do have a car. But I said no, I didn't have a car because this car has no title. The owner still has a title, and the owner is my friend's uncle. And he said he can't locate his uncle, which is kind of weird, but yeah, I'm gonna sell it to these tweakers. Like, deadass, when I say tweakers, I mean it. Like, I'm not lying. His eye was like twitching and shit the whole time. Well, only one of them. It was like this, like, and then the other one was just open. And yeah, he's like that he'll buy it. So I'm driving it to the shop right now, and I'm gonna take his $600. Honestly, it's not worth more than 600. Just cause it's fucked from outside. It drives well and shit. It needs a tune-up. I don't know, just it's a 300,000 mile car, you know. So I don't think anyone is gonna pay over 1,000 or even 1,000 for this. So here's my chance, $600. I'm gonna take it. So I'm probably not gonna record when I get there. And I'm driving with no seatbelt because the fucking seatbelt is fucking moldy and I didn't clean it. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit. And if I don't record over there, then I'll just do a fucking, you know, outro. Yo, it's the end of the video. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Here's the shit box. Yep. This is everything we got. What is this? There's a tent here. And there's a roll of tent. Oh, how big is it? It's still brand new. So they told me they were gonna go to Winco's to get cash back because they need $100. So I'm waiting for them to come. I told them to meet me here at the shop. Look, that's a Z. I was gonna put a stereo in it, but I don't think I'm gonna do it today. So, shit, I'm just gonna wait for him. I'm gonna go grab food though, because my dad's hungry and I'm starving too. So I'll be back again. Well guys, $600. We got $600 from some tweakers. How the fuck did they get this money? I have no idea. Bro came walking with fucking a beer bottle in his hand too. So hopefully he's good. Sheesh. So guys, that's the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you. I went and swapped out those 20s for $100 bills because I got that money from tweakers and I have no idea where that shit's been or what the fuck they've been touching, and you know, I just don't want to mess with that shit. So I went and got all hundreds. So that's the end of the video. If you made it to the end, like I said, thanks again. I think I'm gonna make a new YouTube channel on me trying to make money, trying new shit out. And you know, maybe the shit I try out might not work for me, but it could work for you, or it could work for me and then you could try it out, you know? So yeah, it's not just gonna be money making type shit. It's gonna be other content. Like if I do different content that's not car stuff and put it onto this channel, it's just gonna mess with the viewers and shit. They're gonna be like, you know, it's just not gonna make sense. So I do plan on making another YouTube channel. I'm not saying I'm gonna stop posting on this, but I'm just gonna make another YouTube channel because I don't know, I just be thinking of random shit in my head. I'm like, oh, that'd be a good video. Like to me, I don't know about the viewers and shit, but yeah, just ideas I get randomly. But yeah, one of them is gonna be investing and reselling cars, you know, like flipping. I used to do that shit when I was 16. That's how I started, and I had all the fucking cars I had. So yeah, that's gonna be one of the ideas in there, flipping cars. So with that video, I'm gonna be using this $600 to look for another clapped out car, or not clapped out car, but you know, a used car, and try to flip that and just keep going, just keep on going. So yeah, my plan is to buy a house eventually. I'm tired of living in an apartment. I want fucking space for my cars because I have a whole bunch of shit boxes. And I want a garage and a yard because my little dogs, I just want them to have a yard. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Expect a new channel, not now, I don't know when, but some of these clips are going to be in that video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for this channel though, because I am going to have more stuff coming for the truck and the Nissan. I'm just slacking on all that shit because I really don't know why I'm slacking, but I'm just lazy. I don't do anything. I'm supposed to put shit on the Nissan. I'm supposed to be fixing the interior on the truck, but yeah, I've been slacking. So like, comment, subscribe. I talk way too much. I always say this in my videos. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see y'all in a bit. Peace.
Stay with me.